In a city as vibrant and fast-growing as Austin, Texas, the appearance of your commercial property plays a big role in how your business is perceived. Whether you manage a retail storefront, restaurant, office complex, or warehouse, keeping your exterior clean isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making a strong first impression, maintaining safety, and extending the life of your property. That's where commercial pressure washing comes in. Professional pressure washing removes dirt, grime, mold, oil stains, graffiti, and pollutants that can accumulate on sidewalks, walls, windows, parking lots, and other high-traffic areas. If you're considering hiring a commercial pressure washing service in Austin, here's what you can expect from start to finish. Initial consultation and property assessment. The process begins with a consultation, either over the phone or in person. A professional pressure washing company will assess your property's size, surface types, specific cleaning challenges, and the overall scope of the project. During this stage, they may identify areas of concern, like gum buildup, oil stains, or mildew. Evaluate access to water sources and drainage points. Recommend the appropriate cleaning methods and detergent. Provide a customized quote and timeline. This is the perfect time for you to ask questions about safety, chemicals used, environmental compliance, and scheduling options. Scheduling the service around your business hours. Reputable pressure washing companies understand that minimizing disruption to your operations is a priority. In Austin's bustling business climate, many companies offer early morning, evening, or weekend appointments, after-hours cleaning to avoid customer interruption, and multi-day service plans for larger facilities. You'll agree on a schedule that works best for your business while ensuring the job gets done efficiently and safely. Surface preparation and area protection. On the day of service, the pressure washing crew will arrive with industrial-grade equipment, trained technicians, and any cleaning agents needed for your specific surfaces. Before they begin washing, the crew will clear and cover delicate items, landscaping, and electrical fixtures. Apply protective plastic or tarps if necessary. You treat stubborn stains or high-traffic areas with pre-spray solutions. This preparation helps prevent damage and ensures a thorough and even clean. High-powered cleaning with precision. Using professional pressure washers that deliver hot or cold water at high pressure, technicians will methodically clean all designated surfaces. The power and technique used will depend on the surface type and the level of grime. Typical areas cleaned during a commercial pressure washing job include building facades, brick, concrete, stucco, siding, sidewalks and entryways, dumpster pads and loading docks, parking garages and lots, outdoor seating areas or patio, signage and awning. Some companies in Austin also offer soft washing, a low-pressure method used for delicate surfaces like windows, painted exteriors, and roofing. Cleanup, final inspection, and customer walkthrough. After the cleaning is complete, the crew will rinse down all surfaces, remove any coverings or protective barriers, and conduct a final inspection to ensure everything meets your expectations. You may be asked to walk the property with the technician to review the quality of work, point out any missed spots or special concern, receive aftercare recommendations or a maintenance schedule. Professional crews pride themselves on leaving your property spotless and business ready. Ongoing maintenance plans, optional. For high-traffic businesses or properties exposed to frequent grime or graffiti, many Austin companies offer routine maintenance programs. These can include monthly or quarterly cleaning, emergency spot treatment, discounts for recurring service contracts. Routine pressure washing helps your property stay clean, safe, and welcoming, without you having to worry about it. Final thoughts. A smart investment for every Austin business. Commercial pressure washing is one of the most effective and affordable ways to protect your property, enhance your image, and provide a clean, safe environment for your customers and employees. In Austin's competitive business scene, maintaining a pristine exterior sets you apart. Ready to refresh your property? Partner with a trusted Austin pressure washing provider and let the professionals do the dirty work, so your business can shine.